Hello, in front of me I have Zepp Z watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button or tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the brightness icon, the one that looks like a sun. Tap on this icon. And before we start adjusting the brightness, first we need to turn off the automatic brightness. And to do it, simply tap on this A icon right here. Once it's grayed out, it's not highlighted anymore, we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider, like that. And after you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the middle button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.